In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internship on LinkedIn. A LinkedIn profile that effectively showcases your experiences can really set you apart, and knowing how to add past and current roles like internships is an essential skill. So let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Give that a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select View Profile. This is where you'll make all the edits to your personal information and work history. Once on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is the area where all your past and current work roles are displayed. Next to the Experience heading, there will be a plus icon. Click on that plus icon, which will give you the option to add a new position. This is where you'll input all the details about your internship. After clicking to add a position, a form will appear. The very first box you'll encounter is the title box. Enter the title that best represents your internship position. Keep it simple and clear so anyone viewing your profile can easily understand the role you held. Following the title, you'll want to specify the employment type. Since this is an internship, make sure to select internship from the list of options. Now, it's time to type in the name of the company where you did your internship. Be sure to select the correct company from LinkedIn's drop-down list if they have a company profile. Next, you'll need to enter the time frame of your internship. Select the start date by choosing the appropriate month and year. Then do the same for the end date. If it's an ongoing internship, you can check the box that indicates you are currently working there. Location also plays an important role in your internship entry. Input the location of the company or the location where you worked. Right after that, you will be asked to select the type of location, whether it was in person, remote, or hybrid. Additionally, LinkedIn may prompt you to share where you found the job, which can be a useful detail for networking purposes. Furthermore, you have the option to enhance your entry by adding any relevant skills or media that showcase your work during the internship. This could be presentations, reports, or any other projects you were involved in. Once all the information is filled in, double check everything for accuracy. When you're satisfied with your entry, go ahead and click the Save button. And that's it. You've successfully added an internship to your LinkedIn profile, showing future employers your work experience and setting the stage for more professional networking opportunities. This straightforward process can help bolster your online professional presence, so be sure to keep your LinkedIn profile up to date as you continue to gain more experience and skills in your field. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks related to professional networking and career development.